ఉషోదయం పిలిచింది ఉద్యమి.
So before starting the program, I invite the 10th class girls, no, afterwards, and before that we have the lighting lamp. I request all the guests to please light the lamp. Great personality, great responsible person he has. Due to the time congestion, I am unable to introduce each and everyone individually, but that's my pleasure to introduce some of the members. Sri Niranjan Garu, Aimavati High School correspondent, and here is the IMTF Vice President, Sri Ram Reddy Garu, IMTF one of the Vice President, and Sri Usha Ravikumar Garu, Usha Madam. She is the Vice Principal of the Devendra Vidyalaya and as well as the motivator of the IMTF. Sri Venkatesh Garu, Nayola Warren Model Group of Schools Director Correspondent. Then IMTF, Dikshit Nagar Division in one of the IMTF Joint Secretary. So, number of the persons, if you don't mind, they will continue that one. So, before starting the section, I would like to call 10th class students come to the white key. Sri Shekhar Reddy Garu, Navy High School Director Correspondent, and as well as special invitee of this teachers training, Mr. Shekhar Reddy Garu, come to the dais. So now we are going to start this program. Parents will give or not against such a mode. And recently, last year, 6 months back, in Karnataka, one of the student, first class student, he passed IAS. He selected as an IAS Group 1 student. All completed interview, everything, first step, second step, and everything. Interview also, he got the appointment all at once. By the way, he met some of his classmates, friends. In this group, discussing about his future and his marriage system. What happened? What is there? What is the discussion? Nobody knows. At the same day, night 8 o'clock, he jumped from the 5 floors building and died himself immediately. The parents did not get any doubt or any instant, no idea at all what happened, how it happened. There is no information, no message at all. Then immediately they applied and began the complaint in the police station. They inquired it. They discussed and the discussion situation is between the friends and is between the situation. About the marriage, that is the situation. What is the main reason? Nobody knows. No issues. Even though first class friend, even though he got the IAS officer, but he lost his life. This is the education system. This is the trend of the present youngsters generation. So, if we think about all these things, there is only one issue with the Srikant sir, president of this IMTT of Telangana. Now you explain about this brief.
Thank you. So, good morning all of you. These are diets. After that, today I am here organizing training program for teachers because teachers are always tired. You know everything. You know everything. So I am still motto value building this. What are the values? There are the natural values are the human values. Why nature? Without nature, we can't live. Without oxygen, we cannot live. Without water. So, then we will take responsibility. We are taking the books, environmental science. The books are there. When our syllabus, when the syllabus. Again, to protect the nature, conserve the forest, protect the, preserve the ecology, sustain the environment, teach for the family values, human values, respect the women, nature integrity. These are the values. All of these values are inbuilt our syllabus. Already our syllabus are there. Again, especially, again, discussing because of lack of syllabus. So then, girls they can learn something in the age of the 50 years below. Tomorrow to make up a business. So we are making the business people, making the leaders, making this kind of program because all the teachers are working. So all our IHCD programs already inbuilt our subjects are there. We are not out of subjects. So that is the reason.
I think that stage exists even both correspondent teachers. So why it is happening? In the Karana generation everybody knows the media or the mobile phones occupied all the places. Mobile రావడం వల్లనే మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ గా మన ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ అంతా కూడా చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఇవాళ మనం ఈ ప్రాబ్లం అంతా ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, IMCDM is an organization. It's a value building organization. ఏమి చేస్తుంది? The full form explanation. పిల్లలలో డిసిప్లిన్ చేంజ్ చేయడానికి చేసేటటువంటి ఒక ప్రయత్నం, బిహేవియరల్ చేంజెస్ రావాలనేటటువంటి ఒక ప్రయత్నం చేసే ఆర్గనైజేషన్ IMCDM. Now this became the very priority thing. We have to give more importance to this one. పిల్లవాడి పేరెంట్స్ రిపోర్ట్ టుడే ఏం చెప్తున్నారు అంటే పిల్లలకు చదువు తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ గివింగ్ ఎనీ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు us. Please explain the importance of parents and importance of guru, and he's not at home also is not behaving properly and common. మనం కలిసిపోతే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ లో I'm not promising you 100% if you are joining in IMCDM wonders will become tomorrow 100% your school children will change. We are not telling that. We are trying to reduce the behavioral issues that is doing IMCDM. So then how? What is the weight? ABS because I am also from the last presentation I was a teacher. So I am implementing some of the things, some of the themes which are possible. అన్ని స్కూళ్ళలో పాసిబుల్ కాదు. ఏం పాసిబుల్ అయితే మనం ఎంత చేసుకోవచ్చు అనేటువంటి పాయింట్స్లో మనం స్కూల్స్లో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసుకుంటే there is a big change అనేటువంటిది వస్తుంది. ఎందుకు ఇంత చేంజ్ వచ్చింది? Now once upon a time, thousands of years back, India was restored. India was very great and so many universities.
Santosh. Entomology, 8 members, around 8 members. County as a wow. Super. Clap for everyone. Good like that. మన ఏసీ
కరెక్ట్ మన స్కూల్ వచ్చేసి మన మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఏదో తప్పకుండా వచ్చామంటే and we are not able to tell you something new. కొత్తగా ఏమొస్తుంది అనుకోలేదు కానీ కొత్తగా చూసే విధానం రావచ్చు. సంథింగ్ కలిసామంటేనే చదవడమే ఇంపార్టెంట్. కలిస్తే చదువు మంచి క్లారిటీ ఉందని
emotions, love, peace, where, what, who, at what time. There is a message that we all need to understand. We as a group, what really required more than a understand.
But difficulty because language card, behavior card, everything is promoted. But by the system, the why na cha, academic promotion. I'm not talking about the languages. I'm only trying to connect it because everybody has their own choice at this time. But you will restlessly, you know.
Shubham Brahma Vichasaranam Adyam Jagatyapim Veena Pustakadharim Abhayadam Jatyam Nagaravaham Aste Sphatikamaridam Vidadharim Padmasane Samsthitam Vandedam Parameshwarim Bhagavatim Buddhipradam Sharadam Asadhya Sadhaka Swamin Asadhyam Tavakim Vada Ramaduta Krupasindhu Nakaryam Sadhaya Prabhu Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Respected IMCDF Secretary Ramu Pigar, Ram Reddy sir, Niranjan sir, Venkateswar sir, and other correspondents of various schools, and so many Saraswati Putras and Putrikas. Because teachers means they are the designers, they are the architects who design the citizens for this India. To construct a building or to do something, some designer will do that. But Manushulni తయారు చేసేటువంటి శిల్పులు నీలం. So it's an opportunity for me to address. So my topic is conserve forest and wildlife. So many other people, but they are not important. 95% వీళ్ళు ముగ్గురు బాగుంటే మనం ఎవరిని ప్రపంచాన్ని బాధపడవచ్చు. Sometimes what happens is nowadays we criticize, we don't do anything. Participation is zero, but every person will criticize that this is happening, this is happening, this. Moral and cultural, this is diversity. These two are very important.
India was apologies. Now we will take this section, and before that, Prabhakati A. Prabhakar garu retired in the office. Now he will sing a natural song. Now we have మన కల్చర్ని మన సర్వీస్ని భారతదేశంలో అభివృద్ధి చేయాలని మంచి పాట వినిపించిన దేశభక్తి
Thank you, sir. Warm welcome back, actually. You already go into the same. Sir, I'm challenging the but under me, allow me to be Vinila Chesama, yes. But sir, why is it so easy? Sir, what you do now, the time to do the software is so in case like you can show it and these those are not like No. It's every individual way. How do you program? That way it takes responsibility, that way it takes accountability, that way it acts on each individual situation. It's not, I'm not being talking as a psychologist, but this is a human mechanism of the universe. You are the family, we are the nation, any of our people, the second morning. They make the job slowly. That's the reason I will not talk. You call me. Ready? Let's ensure. No? Yes? This is really teacher surpassing position. I'll just show you the example, so I'm just reading my mind. I think it's the audible to you, but see that. To stretch this to the content, I need to stretch this. Right? This is actually just how to go out. If I cannot, or I mean, if I stretch, what is this? That is happening. Because with serious syllabus completion, with some kind of a pressure, because children are not at the same learning level in certain scenarios. Have you all noticed? Morning sir said, the speed of their concentration decreasing day by day. Even we don't like. Do you really think the same routine? Do you really think every day? What do you say? Amma. Already have expressions of just said. It's the same with students. I want teacher to be like a Bhagwan. Again, what is this nonsense? What do you say? It's one. It is nothing. Very good. But again, what I want to tell you, we all should be like a Bhagwan where we can stretch, bundle them, put them in our Wi-Fi. Yes, this is what my teacher really was wonderful how you take up. Why did I tell you this routine is? If there is no uniqueness, we don't even that maybe have tasted food, you put something more badam, pista, something more similar. So there should be uniqueness. Absolutely change the right word, but I just say unique. There is a how is it to say? Mama speak at the Panchanath Mukha Akbar and Birbal stories? Right? Children stories? But how teachers taking all this mixture in such a way that we are providing protein and healthy nutrition to the students really brings a unique person. Theology? Going? Stop it here? Want to more? That should be our class please. Let's go, Mom. Let's have class, Mom. So this is a promise that after this, you go home and you do this, right? You need to your teaching. Right? You can take this, you can explain. Even mathematics, you can put it as a how much space is occupying, what is that? Can you? Second, from the ancient history, we are relevant. So now we all have given. Can everybody got this? Before I come, I was sitting, I was just answering the something. So everybody was thinking about this. So volumes of our day-to-day failures and the state of success to stand what we are. Please don't ever say technology wrong, management wrong, they have done this, they have done something more please. Every day I say to lower your plan, get back to you. Without recession, please I beg you not to go with this. If you go in your each subject, whatever domain you are into physics, science, chemistry, English, mathematics, there are a lot of culture hidden, lot of morals hidden. But are you passionate to teach that way? Are you all passionate to be? Is nature of a teacher should be again. With this first, I again wanted to give you a 4 things. One is A, B, C, D. A, B, you go. A, B, C, D. Now you say A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Ella bolchalo. Anna beta, mami beta. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Now there is a word. A, B, C, D. Children, will listen to you. A, B, C, D. Yes, this is an English where poetry you can teach with the rhyme scheme where we will be taking A, B, C, D. Next is what? No, I mean the English rhyme scheme. English rhyme scheme according to the end of the thing we have a rhyme scheme. Isn't there a funny thing that unique is not funniness? Don't make fun of yourself you are teaching in the class. And again I say, fun where children learning without rules and regulations. They learn it. When you start grammar rule number 1. Now,
మాటలతో మన దేశమాతనే కొలిచెదమా భావం భాగ్యం కూర్చుకొని ఇక జీవనయానం చేయుదమా తేనెల తేటల మాటలతో మన దేశమాతనే కొలిచెదమా భావం భాగ్యం కూర్చుకొని ఇక జీవనయానం చేయుదమా సాగర మేఘల చుట్టుకొని సురగంగ చీరగా మలచుకొని సాగర మేఘల చుట్టుకొని సురగంగ చీరగా మలచుకొని గీతాగానం పాడుకొని గీతాగానం పాడుకొని మన దేవికి ఇవ్వాలి హారతులు గీతాగానం పాడుకొని మన దేవికి ఇవ్వాలి హారతులు తేనెల తేటల మాటలతో మన దేశమాతనే కొలిచెదమా భావం భాగ్యం కూర్చుకొని ఇక జీవనయానం చేయుదమా గాంగ జటాధర భావనతో హిమశైల శిఖ